Hey guys, as I said in my previous videos, we're going to install this in a hardbody, Hardbody, and yeah, it's the most compact sub I could find on the market. I think with for the power output. What I managed to do is this little remote, we ran it from the subwoofer to down here. It just sits there, it's out of the way, doesn't bother me at all. I'm running this on a Bluetooth, Sony Bluetooth radio. Let me show you where the installation has been done. Okay, if we go to the back here, behind this seat is not a lot of space. I'll just get it open. And there she sits. This is a very compact subwoofer, and let me tell you, I am so impressed with the sound. We ran the cabling, I'm using RCAs, so yeah, it's got low input signal. It can also do high input signals from the radio speaker outputs directly. If you cut off those RCAs, you can use that as input. We ran the wires underneath the carpet to the front, behind the radio, and it just works fine. I'm going to try and play something for you without the subwoofer first. Hopefully this mic will pick it up. So as I play the song, I will increase the subwoofer sound, and maybe you will hear the difference. I had a very pitchy sound in this truck.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
And that makes the world of difference. I love that sound. It's a full, deep sound, enough bass. The lows is unbelievable. I think it's set on here, it can go as low as 30 hertz. That is amazing. So yeah, I'm very, very happy. Yeah. So hopefully you watched up to part 3 of this episode, and or part 3 of this series, and you're satisfied. I will make some more videos if you like.